What's up, YouTube? Today we are doing some repairs on a church that we're gonna do later on in the year. A tree fell on an actual chimney, so we gotta rebuild this chimney and do some patchwork on the roof also. With a tree made a hole. Put some drywall up and do some stuff in the interior also, since it's an insurance job. But yeah, we got a busy day today. I rebuilt this chimney. New gravel stop.
Come on up, man.
Victor, Thomas supposed to do that. Roberto want Thomas and Pale to do that. Come on, man, get up here.
Thomas.
They gonna split moment you carry them. Yep. Them Dallas Stowe bags. No meant to put. See, the woman ain't answer. I told him to text the woman. It's too early. Just to put a little top. I said, me and Thomas could do that. Thomas don't know what the hell he doing. That woman been calling for a week. What's up? Thomas scared. He a little wuss. Yes, he is. He don't want to do it.
Yeah, no.
Muscle man. Ay, ay, ay.
What can you do that though? What happened though? Huh?
Update, we installed the new gravel stop. And we're rebuilding this chimney slowly but surely. Coming along just good. You can do my mom's chimney, Jose. You can do my mom's chimney.
You think so?
Yeah, if you want to do it, let me know.
We got it knocked down like this high.
Yeah.
To make pretty.
Okay.
You know?
I know.
We can do like plastic.
Let's make a nice
Come on,
TikTok.
Come in, Jose.
Let's make a nice TikTok. Let's make a nice TikTok.
Come on, man.
Whoop him. He bring you back to slavery.
Come on.
I'm taking your job, nigga. You go get home tomorrow.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you for the what's it called, Victor?
Vic, he said tomatoes are nasty.
Well, Jamie, I'm gonna do it, Jamie. Something you gonna say, boy. Don't do it. Tomorrow.
They talking about your ass right now.
What the fuck you say, Jose?
You talk here about Victor Tamales.
What is that?
You talk here about Victor Tamales.
He talking shit about Victor. I heard you.
You talk here about Victor
No, I didn't say he lying.
No los hizo tu jefa, güey. Se te dio tu jefa y Delfina también ya tienen felices que van a olvidar.
Oh, donkey.
Que vos fuiste la primera cara. Te contrataron para recibir la gente, güey.
But you a motherfucker, donkey.
¿Quién? ¿Sí?
Espérate, toma, no muevas tú, I'm busy right now. Talk to me tomorrow.
Oh yeah, donkey, get it in.
Pinche Daniel, dame propina, baboso, en vez de que me andes grabando.
What can you just say?
Tapes, motherfucker.
Tapes, motherfucker. I'm gonna let you do my mom chimney.
Huh?
You better not fuck it up.
No comprende, güey.
My padre. Me
My
not-
madre.
padre.
Madre.
Madre.
Padre es
Father.
papa.
What's grandma? Abuela?
Abuela.
I know a little Spanish.
Sí.
A little.
Yeah, you go now, and you finish.
Huh?
You gonna learn more and more Spanish.
Yeah.
You're not dumb like you. No, for real. You're going out with the Spanish.
Yeah.
Yeah, huh?
Yeah, kind of flashing the gravel stops right now. All done with the chimney. All done. Putting coping stones on now. Oh yeah, donkey finished the chimney. Not too bad. What's up, YouTube? Today we are all done. If you like these videos, keep liking and subscribe for more content. As I'm trying to put out content every single week for you guys. It goes to final work of the chimney. Big difference to put a chimney cap up there also.